Everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing good. We're gonna start our lesson with chapter number 5 of book, Pollution and the Environment. You all are already familiar with the term pollution. Easiest definition of pollution is introduction of any substance in the environment which is harmful. The definition right now on your screen is from Wikipedia. It says that pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change in the form of killing of life, toxicity of environment, damage to ecosystem and aesthetic of our surroundings. What is contaminants? Undesirable substance. An ecosystem is a relationship between an organism and its physical environment. Pollution has not only affected the physical environment but has also caused some serious health issues. Diseases caused by pollution mainly are asthma, bronchitis, stroke. Stroke is poor blood flow to the brain that result in cell death, and if it's causing cell death of a major region of a brain, then it could cause the death of a person. And fourth is lung cancer. It is quite visible here, a normal artery and an artery which has been blocked by a blood clot. But asthma and bronchitis are different. Asthma refers to recurrent bouts of wheezing. Wheezing is जब सांस में सीटियां बजे, whistling sound during breathing, and chest tightness due to airway narrowing, whereas bronchitis is inflammation only. You see here, this is inflammation, this is a normal, and this is inflamed bronchi. This image will give you a better view. See, there is a difference. Relax the smooth muscle, relax the smooth muscle. But during attack, they are tightened. Normal airway, narrowed airway, narrower airway. It is understood. There are many things that is understood. You know that how it's agriculture, industry, sewage plants, transportation are causing pollution. But new thing here are lightning and fire. How is lightning causing pollution? Lightning and fire are two of the natural causes of air pollution. During thunderstorm, when nitrogen oxides are created in the atmosphere, it creates primary pollutant, ground level ozone. Fire emits carbon dioxide and other gases that will continue to warm the planet. So as a result of lightning and fire, you are getting carbon dioxide and ground level ozone. Then they are carried by prevailing wind and brought down to land, which then affect us through drinking water as a result of rain, forest productivity, human health. All these are the effects of pollution. These are the contamination by industries, you know it very well. There are many types of pollution, that is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. We would be discussing today air pollution only. Air pollution is any contamination in air that causes serious damage to nature. Sources of air pollution are household combustion devices, that is a stove in your home or in villages. People use wood to burn things. Motor vehicles, industrial facilities, and forest fires. You know now that fires produce carbon dioxide, which is a pollutant. Forest fire, you recently heard of this one in Australia. These are few gases that are causing pollution: particulate matter, carbon monoxide CO, ozone which was created by lightning, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. All these gases you already know now, but in the presence of sun they are converted into a serious pollutant, a more potent pollutant, that is these acids. When they are provided sunlight, they are converted into stronger acid, that is H2SO4 and HNO3, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Acid rain. It's raining acid out there. Yes, it's not a fictional story, it is possible. What is this phenomena? Rain clouds are formed of pure water, but sometimes gases such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide chemically react with water and oxygen in the atmosphere and fall back to earth in the form of acid rain. Let me repeat it again. Rain clouds are formed of pure water, but sometimes gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide react with water and oxygen in the atmosphere and fall back to earth in the form of acid rain. A shower which we don't want to take. You know how these gases reach the atmosphere in the first place, and that what causes the rain to turn acidic. It is important to understand that normal rain is already little acidic, but when we burn fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide from factories form much stronger acid. This statue is affected by acid rain. How to control air pollution? Maintaining a healthy distance between the industrial and residential area. Of course, the chimneys and houses must be separated and must be far from each other. The chimneys should be constructed tall and fly so that emission must be released higher up in the environment. The sulfur must be removed after burning. After all, it was giving you sulfur oxide, which was turning into sulfuric acid, which is a very, very strong acid. Timely serving of the car helps to keep it in a good condition and also minimize fuel exhaustion. Using public transportation helps to prevent the air pollution. Using alternative energy source like solar energy, hydroelectric energy and wind energy. We would be covering other types of pollution in our next video. Stay home, stay safe, be responsible and keep your parents happy. Allah Hafiz.